If you're currently a beginner who is looking to make money on eBay, but you're kind of confused on what steps to take, well, don't go anywhere because this video is for you. In this video, I'm gonna share the most effective strategy for making money on eBay that people just like you are using right now. And I'm also going to show you real examples on how they're actually doing it. And the reason I know this strategy works is because we've been helping thousands of sellers just like you to become profitable. Look, I'm gonna put here on the screen some of the members of our community who managed to, break even, to become profitable, and even reach independence in these last weeks, following the same strategy that I'm going to cover in this video. So make sure to watch everything in this video, because the information right here that I'm going to give you will help you become profitable quicker than you think. And with the strategy that I'm going to share with you right now, people are able to start a business without upfront investment in inventory or ads, and it can be done from anywhere around the world, anywhere. This selling strategy is called eBay dropshipping. Let's go over the process and see how people just like you are making profit. So first, you open an eBay seller account. Then you open buyer's account on a retail website such as Amazon, Walmart, or AliExpress. Now, you have a place where you sell products and a place where you buy products. The next step is to find products that are selling for a higher price on eBay. And if you keep watching for just a few more minutes, I'm going to show you a step-by-step demonstration on how to find profitable products. After you find a product, you do a bit of search engine optimization, SEO. So to simplify it, you write a product title with the words people are searching for. And the final stage, you upload this product to eBay. You don't need to write the entire product description by yourself because it already exists on your supplier website. So all you do is copy and paste. And if you want to be a bit more sophisticated, you can use ChatGPT to rewrite the description for you and make it more unique, make it more engaging. Now, after your product is live on eBay, it is exposed to over 150 million potential buyers who search on eBay every day looking to buy something. Once you get an order, you simply go to the supplier's website, place an order on the same product you've sold on eBay, copy the buy address to the shipping address on the supplier's website, and place your order. Now, let's make a quick calculation here. So let's say you sold the product for $20 on eBay and you bought it for $12 on Amazon. And your eBay fees are 12.9% plus 30 cents. You've made a profit of $5.12. All you need to do is to repeat this process, list more items, and it will become profitable. Now, I'm going to share with you two strategies to find profitable products and what software I use to automate the process. I'm also going to analyze one eBay dropshipper who is currently making over $5,000 profit per month using the same product research strategy. And if you find any value in this video at any point, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, okay? It means a lot to me and to everyone. So thank you for that. So let's start finding profitable products. For this, I'm gonna use a software called Zik Analytics. It's been around since 2016, providing tools, knowledge, and community to sellers just like you and helping them break even, become profitable, and reach independence. Zik usually offers discount on the first month for the same reason, to keep your costs low so you can break even faster. We are together with you, all right, all the way. And what Zik does is simply analyze eBay and the supplier websites and automatically find products for you. Let me show you how we do it. Let's jump here on my computer right now. So the first thing that we do is that we have to find multiple drop shippers who use Amazon as their supplier. So the first thing you do, you come to Amazon.com and then you click here, best sellers. Then it's going to show you so many options, all the best sellers on Amazon. And then here on the left column, you have by any department. Then we can choose any of them. I would just, if you're a beginner, I would not choose Amazon devices. I would exclude that, but the rest is okay. And then, for example, we could just choose any of them. Which one do you want? Do we go for baby, automotive, or arts. Okay, let's go with automotive, for example. Okay, so here we have the best sellers in automotive. So basically what you do, you click here in one of the items, and then you copy the title. You don't have to copy the exactly title, like the name, the model, and things like that. What is this product? It is a water repellent wiper blades, right? This is what it is. Then what you do, you come here, you go to Zik Analytics, to the product research tool, and then you paste and search. Make sure that your quick settings are set correctly here. Shipping location, United States, and source website, Amazon, your supplier. And then you see you're not to be concerned about the sell-through rate in anything right now. The idea is to find sellers that are selling this. And look, check it out right here. We see the Amazon logo with a green check. So, and the seller is a drop shipper. He's selling this item. And I'm not really interested in the item right now. I'm interested in the seller, because if the seller is sourcing this product from Amazon, most likely he'll be sourcing other products, correct? So what you do, you come here, you click the competitor research tool. It's this icon that looks like a little detective. And then you click here, and now I'm inside the seller's store and I can see everything. Okay, I can see he's a drop shipper from the United States. I can see that he has more than 22,000 active listings. He sold 316 items, and he has a sale earnings of $13,000 the last 30 days. And the average product price is $42. And then you scroll down here, and he's selling, well, he or she, the seller, is selling, check it out, everything from Amazon. Right here, you see the item finder. It has the Amazon logo and the green check. So what I'm going to show you now, I'm going to use an AI feature called the bulk scanner, which will automatically find all the Amazon items of this seller that this seller is selling, and so I can upload it to my eBay store. So it's really simple. What you do, you click here, this icon, bulk scanner. All right, and then you click it again, and then you will go to the bulk scanner tool right here, and then we can see the sellers here. And then you just click on the name and check it out. You have everything listed, all the products, all the Amazon products. And then from here, you simply select, the 24 items that were found, and then you move to the folder. I created this folder right here, Amazon items for YouTube example. And then you can move the products to this folder. And then you can come here to the folders right here and then see the products, because the idea here is that you can find plenty of items in a really short time, and even run a dropshipping business while you are working full time. So you can see the items are here and they are ready for title optimization. And if you are surprised from how quick this was, let me show you the full AI automation Zik offers. This time, it's going to be much faster and much more effective. Let's jump here on my computer. So here we are in the AutoPilot, and let me tell you, this tool is amazing. It's literally going to find products on AutoPilot. Did you get the name? Okay, it will literally find products on AutoPilot based on the criteria that you choose. So let's do it together. Let's start a new scan. Then you name the scan here. Let's say, for example for YouTube. Okay. And then you choose the supplier. We're looking for Amazon. Then you have the categories, so many categories here. I'm just going to leave all of them for now. And then the rating, the average rating is important. Let's look for products for at least 4 stars to 5. And the idea is to avoid problematic items. And we have to make sure to list items with at least 4 sales right here in the last 14 days. I also want to find products with low competition. So I'm just going to write, when it comes down to the competition, I'm going to say no more than 15 competitors. And I'm also going to choose a product with at least 10% of return of investment right here, ROI. So we choose here 0.1, which is 10%. And yeah, and this is the common ROI when using Amazon, okay? And then you have the product price. I'm just, for this example, I'm just going to leave from $10 to $30. And then what you have to do here, you have to write the number of products that you want to find. So based on this, you could write 20, 50, 100, 1,000. Let's just leave 100 for now. And you just click start your scan. Okay, in less than 1 minute, literally less than 1 minute, it found here all the products, found 100 products. And what you click here, example, and then you're gonna see all the products. Now, let me share with you another valuable tip. And I'm talking about Vero items. So on eBay, there's something called Vero, V-E-R-O. And these items you can't really sell and put, because if you sell them, you can put your eBay account to risk. And we don't want to do that. So this is another great thing that Zik Analytics does for you in all of the, all the tools, the product research tool, and also here in the AutoPilot, that brings up this Vero brand right here. All right. So the AutoPilot will protect you from this problem, from this danger. When you export here, let's say it's really easy. So you found all these products and you want to export, for example, you can select them, the ones you like, or you can just, upload all of them, export all items. And you have the option to export here. And then you have these filters, exclude Vero brands. This is what I want to talk about. This is really interesting. And you can also exclude restricted keywords, such as, like guns or vitamins, things like that. And if you have a lister, you can upload all your products to your lister, just clicking here, and then you have the same filters, okay? So as I showed you right now, you have this option to exclude Vero products when you're uploading the items. Now, this way, you will decrease the risk in like 80%. Thank you for watching all the way to here. If you find any of this valuable, I would truly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And as I promised before, I will now reveal an eBay seller who's dropshipping on eBay and making a really nice profit. This seller is someone just like you who, within a couple of months, managed to turn his store, his eBay store, into a money printer, literally. And he's making over $5,000 profit per month using the exact same product research method I showed before. And thanks to Zik, we can now look into them and see what products they're selling and how much revenue they generate and what's the average profit margin and everything. So let's jump into it because I want to give you more insight and give you the opportunity to dive inside the seller who is making this amazing profit. Okay, so let's go. So this is a seller that I'm talking about, and I want to give you more insights. I want to give you the opportunity to dive into this seller's store and learn from it and use it as an example. The seller is making a great profit. So here he has a sell-through rate of over 200%, and the last 30 days he's making $41,000 sale earnings and dropshipping from Amazon. And then you can see here the average product price is $13. You see the successful listings, active listings, sold items, and so on. It's really interesting. Right here, we have the top items that the seller has, all right? Last 30 days, sold 84 times, 49 times, 46 times, 37 times, 36 times, and so on. And then we can choose any of these products here just to calculate the average profit margin and his total profit, okay? Like the total profit margin that he's using and how much profit he's actually making from this. So let's just choose one of these top items here, for example. Let's use this one right here. Simply you come here to the item finder and then we can click here. It's going to give us the eBay listings and check it out. Zik Analytics found this product here on Amazon. So you click here. So now we have right here, eBay selling for $12.89 and then you have buying for $9.10. Now let's jump here into the eBay fee calculator Zik Analytics provides. So we're here in Zik's fee calculator, eBay fee calculator. Great, always use it. And I already put all the information in category eBay models, how much has been selling, how much he's buying or she's buying on Amazon. The eBay fees here, 30 cents. This is it. This is it. So this is the total profit. He's making $1.74. His profit margin is 13.5%. So this is the profit margin this seller is playing with. Now let's go back here. Let's calculate how much profit he's making. 13.5% of 41,029 is $5,539. This is the actual profit that the seller is making. And this is it. He has so many active listings. And let me tell you, he's using the strategy that I just showed you. Are you ready to learn about the second most important part of eBay dropshipping? Customer service and your seller performance are key to maintain a stable income from eBay for a long term. I'm going to share with you the best practices for customer service, how to get more feedbacks, and what to do to be better than your competitors. These methods are proven to work for our community members, and it will work for everyone who is implementing them. How to quickly increase your feedback on eBay, you may ask? Well, two things. One, buy items for less than 50 cents and request feedback as buyers. I'm going to show you now. So how do you do that? You go to eBay and then on the search on the right side has advanced, and then you type anything like earrings, for example. All right. And then, of course, it's in euros. I'm in Europe right now, but if you're in America, it'll be dollars. And then max price, you put 5, like I did here before. And then you just press search. Then it's going to show all these products, or these cheap products. You buy a lot of these products and ask for feedback. And then the second one is to send messages to your buyers after the product is sold, and when it's shipped, just be kind. Kill your customers with kindness. And here are some messages, templates that you can use. In the next few minutes, I'll be sharing with you customer service message templates so that you can use in your store. So just stick around a bit more. And if you're watching to here, it means that you're very serious about getting started. We love that. Here in Zik, all we care about is helping you make e-commerce work. For actually getting started, you need a bit more. So I would like to share with you a link to our free eBay dropshipping course on YouTube. Please comment on the video free course, and I'll share with you a link to where you can find lessons on how to create accounts, set up everything, find products, list items, run an eBay store all the way to profitability. And don't forget to grab our eBay customer service message template, because proper customer service is the only way to build a sustainable business on eBay. And here's the link to our customer service message template. It's going to be here, and also we're going to put on the description. So thank you very much for watching till the end. Remember to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you very much. It is very highly appreciated that you watched the whole thing. And if you have any questions, please leave the comment here below, and I will make sure to answer them all. Keep moving forward, and see you next time.